Hello everyone, this is Prabhashri, Assistant Professor of Mathematics Department, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see the changing the order of integration. So there is an problem. Change the order of integration and hence evaluate integral 0 to 1, 0 to and then x squared to 2 minus x, xy into dy into dx. So here we are having two intervals x squared to 2 minus x and 0 to 1. X squared to 2 minus x which represents y and 0 to 1 which represents x. So the region of integration is bounded by x equal to 0 comma x equal to 1 and y equal to x squared to y equal to 2 minus x. So now we are going to represent this limits with the help of the graph. So here we are plotting the values we are taking y equal to 2 minus x. If x equal to 0, then the value of y is 2. Then x equal to 1, we will get the value of y equal to 1. If x equal to 0, then the values of y equal to 0. So we are plotting these values in the graph. So 2 comma 0 which represents in the x-axis and 0 comma 2 which will be in the y-axis because y is 2 and then x is 0, so it will be in the y-axis. And then 1 comma 1 is a common point, so we are representing it in here. So y equal to x square, we know that that is the equation of parabola. So we are creating a parabola y equal to x squared, and we are plotting the points 0 comma 2, 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 0 and make a straight line and represents the straight line as y equal to 2 minus x. So in this parabola, the line is splitting the parabola into two equal parts. We can clearly see that in this diagram. So the splitting part is between x equal to 1 and then we are just creating axis 0 as a origin 0 comma 0 and point A as 1 comma 1 and B as 0 comma 1. Like that, the same way we are creating 0 comma 2 as a point C. So in this we are dividing the region I equal to I1 plus I2, which is I1 is varies from 0 to 1 and then y varies from we can see that y varies from the parabola to line. So the equation of the parabola is nothing but y equal to x squared and the y touches the line which is equal to 1. So y equal to 1. So y varies from x squared to 1 and x varies from 0 to 1. So now we are writing the first interval as an which represents x and then second interval which represents y. So here we are having y equal to x squared. So 0 to root y is an one interval and then another one is 0 to 1. So by integrating dx, we will get x squared divided by 2. Here y is an we will consider y as a constant, so we will get x squared divided by 2. So the intervals varies between 0 to root y. So we will substitute the value of root y, replace the value as root y into x squared. So we will get y divided by 2. Already y is there, so y square divided by 2 into dy 0 to 1. So by integrating the value of y, we will get y cube divided by 3. By substituting the limits, we will get 1 by 6 as an answer. So I2 varies from x equal to 0 to x equal to 1 and then y varies from y equal to 1 to 2 minus x. So we will get a value of x as 0 to 2 minus y. X varies from 0 to 2 minus y and y varies from 1 to 2. So now we are going to integrate the x part. So we will get x square divided by 2 and the limit varies from 0 to 2 minus y. So 2 minus y the whole square. We know the formula for a minus b the whole square, which is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2 into ab. So we rewrite the 2 minus y the whole squared as 4 plus y squared minus 4y into dy. So we are multiplying the y inside the bracket. So we will get 4y plus y cube minus 4y squared into dy. So integrating these equations we will get the value, and applying the limits we will get those values. So by subtracting and solving the equation we will get the value of 5 divided by 24. So we are getting a 1 by 6 as I1 and 5 by 24 as I2. So by adding those we will get the answer of 3 by 8, which is I. So the first problem refers to we are just splitting up the limits and finding the value of the separations, and then totally we are adding the total limits, then we will get the values. Okay, thank you.